What is tanning? This is the first season and the first episode of Leather Academy. What is it? Have you ever wondered how many types of leather there are? Which one is better for a certain product over another? What is metal-free leather or the innovations of leather in terms of sustainability? Here in Leather Academy, we will deal with various topics to answer these questions. Essentially topics related to the world of leather, and then you will be the one to tell me what you prefer to be analyzed. This new format created by We Are and called Leather Academy will be divided into seasons with a macro theme, and each season will have several episodes that will talk about the topics specifically. In this first season, I will talk about the various types of tanning of leather. For example, chrome tanning, chrome-free tanning, vegetable tanning, and more. Let's start. Tanning is an ancient art born in prehistoric times and became a craft in the Middle Ages that aims to irreversibly stabilize the skin that is no longer susceptible to rot. It was discovered by chance by primitive men who noticed that if the leather was smoked or immersed in water with leaves and tree trunks, it lasted longer. Today, there is not a unique process for tanning leather. It depends on many factors. First of all, on the final result to be achieved. For example, the tanning process changes if it is decided to leave the hair or not. To clarify, the process of realizations of the skins is divided into three basic steps: Riviera, processing, tanning, and finishing. Riviera operations are greening, depilation, calcination, fleshing, splitting, decalcination, maceration, degreasing. These are used to prepare the leather for tanning. The tanning itself requires tanning agents. These are cross-linked with the tanning substance in the leather called collagen using bonding barriers. All types of tanning work according to what is called the golden rule of tanning. Start the tanning process with a low tendency to bind the tanning agent to the leather substance, and then finish the process with a high tendency to bind the tanning agent to the leather structure. That's all for today. In the next video we will talk about chrome tanning.